Hey everybody, so we have a haul today. I have just a menagerie of things. Some things I needed, some things I wanted to add to the stockpile. So I have a 90 pack of Dentec, you know, those flossing picks. I have a big thing of apple juice, and I'm going to get this out of the way. Stuff has made a mess on my stove. Excuse me. I got a 14 pack of Dove. I finally found some dry chickpeas. I got a Lowry's ranch flavor seasoning. Not seen that before, so going to try that. I got 2 bottles of teriyaki. I got this on Amazon. I like their brown sugar. It doesn't seem to dry up. Hold on, I hear a dog. Okay, it must have been my imagination. I thought a dog was crying. But anyways, yeah, this doesn't seem to dry up and get hard like the C&H, I think it is. We did our teriyaki. I got 2 of those. I got an angel food cake, a red velvet, some dark fudge brownies. We don't really eat a lot of sweets, but those will be good if things are batch, you know what I mean? I got some Doggie Treats. Don't forget about your babies. There's about 100 of those in there. I got, this has 120 bags. I get these on Amazon as well. I get their gallon bags too. They're a little cheaper than the name brand ones. They could not do the Kraft macaroni and cheese, so I got a 6-pack of this, and I have tried it, and it's just as good as the Katie. I got this Bear Creek cheddar broccoli single soup. I like these when I'm not feeling real good. I got these crunchy noodles to go on stir fries and things like that, and I have, what are those things called? La choy. My mom used to get them when we were a kid, and they have the meat in the top and the veggie on the bottom, and you just heat it up. I got 2 cans of the Subi chicken and dumplings. I got 2 bottles of lime juice. I got a case of, you can't see them, but the Ortega diced green chilies, because I use a lot of green chilies, and lately it's hit or miss whether you can get these at the store. I got a case of Rotel, and I got, and this I recommend for you to get if you can your meat, or even if you're buying the canned store-bought meat. You can make tamales with this. You can make corn tortillas with this. There's 2 different kinds. In my next haul, I will show you the other kind. This is also gluten-free. But get some of this, and if you can't find corn husks, you can make tamales in parchment paper. So don't worry if you can't find corn husks. If you grow corn, dry your corn husks, and that will be helpful. Free wraps. But yeah, this makes, you can make tamales with this, with all those shredded meats. Those shredded meats make amazing tamales. So I would highly recommend having this on your shelf. You know, prepare it for storage, put it in a seal meal, and you're good to go. Or, you know, vacuum seal it, and you're good to go. So I would highly recommend that, not just for the tortillas, but those meats that we're buying. You get some enchilada sauce, your peppers, whatever, season that meat up any way you want. Wrap you up some tamales, steam them. You'll have an amazing meal, and you can freeze your tamales after you make them if you want. So that is my haul today. Now that I've made my stove all nice and cornmeal-y, I'm going to put this up and clean it up. I hope you all are doing well. I thought it was going to storm last night and rain today. It's not. It's just hotter than I thought it would be, and humid. So yeah, I hope you all are doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.